Hello everyone, this is Jyoti BD from the heritage city of Mysore, the cultural capital of Karnataka, one of the cleanest cities of India. I am the winner of IVA Mrs. India 2020 Classic and now the delegate of IVA Popular Queen of Universe 2020. Today we are going to talk about consumer rights and protection. Before that, let us know who is a consumer. According to the Consumer Protection Act 1986, a consumer is a person who purchases goods or services for his own use and not for reselling or using the goods for production or for manufacturing. If a person buys a loaf of bread for eating, he or she is a consumer. But when a person buys wheat for using it to produce loaves of bread, then he is not a consumer. Let us now know what are the rights of a consumer. So, if a person who is not a consumer and uses goods for commercial purposes files a grievance, the grievance will not be entertained in the Consumer Redressal Commissions. Let us now know what are the rights of a consumer. Right to consumer education and update ourselves with all the new schemes launched by the government. Right to be heard in the consumer forum. Right to be protected and seek redressal against traders using unfair means and unfair practices. For instance, we all hear about e-portals scamming and looting people of the hard-earned money on the false pretext of giving them job. Then these consumers can approach Consumer Forum for redressal. Right to have access to a variety of goods at fair prices. Right to be safe from hazardous goods. There are certain duties of consumer also. Let us know what are they. Duty of consumer to check weights, balances, prices, etc. and read the labels on whatever we purchase carefully. Duty of the consumer to pay for the goods or services he has used. Do not fall in trap for the misleading information and advertisement. Look into its genuinity. Not to buy goods from the black markets. To be an ethical consumer and procure the bills, receipt, etc. from the goods and services purchased. If a consumer fails to take them, then he loses his right to file any complaint in the redressal forum. Duty to gain knowledge of the consumer rights and duty to spread awareness on the same. Now you might be wondering who can file a complaint in the Consumer Redressal Forum. A consumer who purchased the defected goods or availed deficient services can file a complaint in the Consumer Redressal Forum or the Commission. Now if you are thinking where to file this Consumer Redressal Forum, there are three consumer redressal forum. One in the district, it is called as the District Consumer Redressal Forum, one in the State Consumer Redressal Forum, and the National Consumer Redressal Forum. Last but not the least, whenever you as a consumer purchases something, look into all the details and what all things written on it, the terms and conditions before buying it. Most of the times we get fooled by not reading it. So a consumer, for him, it's better to be aware and beware of before buying these things. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.